Reality check, man, from your device and where's the unique one? Aromatic Realistic TV. Mark Golden beat them one more time again. Mr. Mark Golden beat them one more time again. And make Nationwide have to run combat like a dog. Come bow and apologize. Nationwide have to run combat like a some little mongrel dog. Come and apologize to Mark Golden for a report that they break. It was what? Wednesday or Thursday in the midday news. Telling lie. And the man putting out there saying what the man did not say. But we know that, you know, they are mouthpiece and propagandists. But Mark Golden, one more up on the nastiness them again. Because what they fail to understand, you know, is that Mark Golden don't use word recklessly. Mark Golden don't use word just use word sake, you know. Mark Golden is not like Andrew Holness and the Jamaica Labour Party and their minions who just use words and no matter about the consequence. The man speak, and when Mark Golden speak, he speak with authority and command the room. He command the respect of the people. And that's what them feel to understand. Mark Golden no speak unless than he have the facts, you know. He come like you not get it. The man no speak unless than him have the facts. So when you run out, you know what you do. But you just try to murky up the water. For Juliet Holness. Look good. But anyway, Jamaica, we go play the clip. And after we play the clip, then we will dissect it. Take it away.
That reports it submitted to Parliament have not been tabled. The Anti-Corruption Agency issued the clarification in a statement on Friday. Ricardo Brooks reports.
The Speaker of the House of Representatives, Juliet Holness, has repeatedly been accused by the opposition PMP of refusing to table reports submitted to Parliament by the Integrity Commission. Those accusations have led to questions in the public domain about her impartiality and fairness as presiding officer in the House. The accusations against Mrs. Holness have sparked speculation that she has been suppressing the reports. But on Friday, the Seymour Panton-chaired Integrity Commission The Commission denied the claims that its reports have been suppressed. It says it has taken note of comments that are being made in sections of the media suggesting that its reports sent to Parliament have not been tabled. It says in the public interest it wishes to advise and confirm that all of its reports, including all investigative and annual reports that have so far been sent to Parliament, have been tabled. The Integrity Commission says no report it has sent to the Houses of Parliament is outstanding. The Commission says it's forbidden under the Integrity Commission Act to make any comment on matters currently before it. It says once it sends a report to Parliament on any matter, it will immediately advise the public. It says when that notice is made public, it is still, by law, prohibited from naming the subject of the report. The Commission concludes by assuring the public that once its reports are tabled in Parliament, it will issue an advisory on social media and upload the document to its website. Ricardo Brooks for Nationwide.
This is the Small Axe, Jesse Royal, aka Natty Pablo, representing for Aromatic Realistic TV. On all backbiters, the hypocritical two-siders, we call them modern day Judah. So that was Ricardo Brooks, Jamaica, from Nationwide. But I want to make it clear that when time you listen what the leader of the opposition stated,
at them they accuse Mark Golden. When you listen the speech what Mark Golden make, you find out say at them they accuse Mark Golden. They are saying what Mark Golden did not say. And this is what the man say. The maneuvering to delay the tabling of report from the Auditor General and the Integrity Commission. The maneuvering to delay the tabling of report from the Auditor General and the Integrity Commission. Them send over the report from the Integrity Commission, but it is in the hand of the oversight committees, where the opposition cannot get a hold of it. And the Auditor General send over his report, and the Speaker of the House sit down upon them. So they are trying to flip the script and spin it around, and now accusing Mark Golden. They are the one who is accusing Mark Golden. But without any further ado, I am going to play Mark Golden's speech, and then we will dissect it after. Take it away.
Mr. Speaker, we are in an increasingly low trust environment. Since the JLP government came to office in 2016, no less than 8 ministers have been forced to resign or been otherwise sanctioned for a range of serious breaches, and Jamaica continues to rank poorly on international corruption indices. The maneuvers to delay the tabling of reports from the Auditor General and the Integrity Commission remains a contentious matter, especially since the legal opinion on which this delay is purportedly based has been withheld from parliamentarians and the wider public. Jamaica's iconic global track superstar, the Honorable Usain Bolt, and many other innocent investors were carried down in the scandalous SSL fiasco, and we can't hear anything about charges being brought against the culprits. I have been told that the DPP's office is dragging their feet when there are a number of people that the Financial Investigations Division are seeking to bring charges against. In fact, in August last year, the Gleaner carried a report that from the FID that there were several persons that they were intending to move against with charges. That report is no longer on the Gleaner website, but I am told that the DPP's office is dragging their feet on this. The Kroll forensic report, which has cost taxpayers millions of dollars, was delivered to the government months ago. It must be released to the public so we can see what the findings are. Jamaica will not accept a cover-up of this shameful debacle, which has tainted our country's reputation as a safe and well-regulated place for Jamaicans at home and abroad to save and invest. In fact, a commission of inquiry into this SSL scandal will be needed. I hope that they will see the error of their ways. I did not say anything offensive. I wasn't rude. I simply said that to have the head of government in the country and the head of the parliament in the speaker as spouses does not sit well with the tradition in our parliamentary democracy, and not just Jamaica, across the world that has our system of having a speaker who is independent of the government. This is a very important matter because the speaker is the umpire. We had some concerns, but we decided not to take an issue with it after she was appointed. Leader of opposition business didn't object at the time, and I was prepared to work with it. But having seen what has happened since, with these reports not being tabled on a timely basis, Integrity Commission reports, some of them being sent to the Oversight Committee, which the government controls, which they may never be published in that eventuality. And seeing that the opinion that they're relying on from the Attorney General, given to the Parliament, they won't share it with the public and with us to know whether or not the justifications are sound in law. I just feel it's a very bad situation that has happened under her watch, and I thought I should bring it to the public's attention that this is a matter of concern. And I'm not alone.
It was a speaker.
Have I what?
Have you reached the Prime Minister raising concern about this?
I raised it in the Parliament today. And so, when I write to the Prime Minister, he never replies.
Why did it take you so long to raise it in the parliament?
I have spoken.
So that was the leader of the opposition in Jamaica. And what did he say? We have some concern, but we decided not to take an issue with it after she was appointed. He said, I take the high road and was prepared to work with her. But it becomes a concern to him, knowing that him putting reputation on the line to give this lady the go ahead. Because remember, even if Philip Paul will give him the go ahead, Philip Paul will give him the go ahead on behalf of the PMP. You have to get that straight. And this is what Golden said. But I've seen what has happened since with her report not tabling on timely basis. And the Integrity Commission report is being sent to the oversight committees. The Integrity Commission report has been sent to the oversight committees. And the oversight committees is the government control committees. So the opposition have no chance of seeing those bills. Those committees are dominated by the Jamaica Labour Party. If PMP have 2 members, them have 10. So they can't do nothing. That's what he was saying. The report that was sent to the speaker always override by the Jamaica Labour Party majority. So that was the concern for Mark Golden. And that is why the man speak out. So they are accusing the man for saying stuff that he did not say. Them twist it and spin it around. That's why nationwide have to run, come back, come bow down at the man foot like a puppy dog and apologize. Anyway, Jamaica, without any further ado, may we listen to the mongrel dog, them they apologize. Take it away.
And we should apologize to the opposition leader, Mark Golding, because today in the midday news, we carried the story about the Integrity Commission declaring that no reports from that office had been tabled, had been sent to Parliament, but not tabled. The Integrity Commission saying that that claim was not true. The story we carried said that the opposition leader had said that Mrs. Holness, the House Speaker, had not tabled reports from the Integrity Commission. Of course, that wasn't so, because what the opposition leader did say at the opposition leader's office on Tuesday after that parliamentary walkout, where he said that reports from the Auditor General's Department weren't tabled, which was true because they were sent back. And he also said that reports from the Integrity Commission were sent to committees. He was clear in what he said. So he did not say that reports from the Integrity Commission were not tabled in Parliament and they're being suppressed. He did not say that. And we clarified that in the story we carried at 5, but it was a midday report, which was problematic. And yeah, we want to just clarify that Mr. Golding did not say so, and we moved to set the record straight in the story we carried at 5. All right, let's get
We moved to set the record straight because Mr. Golding did not say, but the man beat them one more time again. Because as I said before, this man not talk loosely and wildly. He's a professional. So when him talk, he talk with authority. Anyway, I want you to listen what the Auditor General Pamela Monroe Ellis said. Because Pamela Monroe Ellis dropped the bombshell, you know. Pamela Monroe Ellis dropped the bombshell. And say, yo, me send them here to you, them bill here to you, me done with them. And send them to you about 3 months. Me send one to you the 28th of December. And me send one to you the 29th of January. So the one that I sent to you from December, it's almost 3 months. And the one that I sent to you from January, it's almost 3 months. So why you would send back them the over here so far? Because the thing happened on Tuesday in the House of Parliament with Mark Golding. So them want to say now them a make the slate clean. Them no sit down pan no. Them no sit down pan no report over there. But the Auditor General Pamela Monroe Ellis say, listen, me not play them game that we don't know, you know. Boom! And send out a report in the Gleaner. So when we listen what Pamela Monroe Ellis tell the nastiness them say now. Take it away.
General Pamela Monroe Ellis has disclosed that two reports that were sent to Parliament on December 28 and January 29 were returned to her department on Friday by Speaker of the House Juliet Holness. The first report is a special audit of the Financial Services Commissioner, and the second, a special audit of Tax Administration, Jamaica. Mistress Monroe Ellis did not give the reason for the return of the reports. She told the Gleaner that she will be dispatching them to Parliament on Monday. The disclosure comes after Jamaica Labour Party General Secretary Dr. Horace Chang said that as of Friday, there was no outstanding report from either the Integrity Commissioner or the Auditor General awaiting tabling in Parliament.
So this is what Miss Ellis said, you know. The AG was surprised a special audit were sent back by Speaker of the House. Mrs. Monroe Ellis was surprised a special audit were sent back to her office by the Speaker of the House. Chang said no outstanding report as of today. You understand? But the thing about it, Jamaica, if there was no outstanding report, you get one of the report from the 28th of December. Almost 3 months now. You get another report from the 28th of January. Almost 2 months now. And when the thing go down in a Parliament, you go send back the report on Friday. You think we are kunomono, man? You think we are kunomono? Eh? So nationwide, after them accuse Mark Golding of saying things that the man did not say, Mark Golding does have them like a toy. The man have them like a son little puppy dog. You don't notice what go on? Mark Golding have them like a toy. The man have them like a son little puppy dog. They tie with them. You don't understand? Because they are not getting it. Mark Golding not talk unless than he having facts. Mark Golding not just come out and talk recklessly. When the man speak with authority. The man command the room. The man have the attention of every Jamaican right now. And he come like you feel forget it. So nationwide, we should apologize to Mark Golding for a report that they sent out earlier in the day. So Ricardo Brooks himself, the Speaker of the House of Representatives, Juliet Holness, has repeatedly accused by the opposition PMP of refusing to table in report that submit to Parliament by the Integrity Commission and the Auditor General. So the chairman now of the Integrity Commission, Seymour Panton, the commission denied the claim that report has been depressed. I want to make it clear that no report that's sent to the House of Parliament is being outstanding. But yet still, Pamela Monroe Ellis, Auditor General, received 2 reports on Friday. 2 reports that on December 28th, she submit that one. And on January 29th, she submit the other one. So this is where Mark Golding nailed them up. Mark Golding nailed them up. Mark Golding said, it is the maneuvering to delay in the tabling of the report from the Auditor General and the Integrity Commission. And that the man said. The man never tell you that he failed to table no Integrity Commission report in the Parliament. He said the Integrity Commission report sent to Oversight Committee. oversight committee, and we know that the oversight committee are dominated by the Jamaica Labour Party. And he said those reports may never come to the light. Taxpayers may never see those reports because those reports being manipulated by the Jamaica Labour Party, who have the majority on those committees. So that's what the man stated. The maneuvering to delay the tabling of report from the Auditor General Pamela Monroe Ellis office and the Integrity Commission. So now I try to grow and to spin the thing. You don't think say Marky G a fool, man? You don't say Marky G have no under manners. Every manners. But nationwide do not learn. Nationwide do not learning. Because of the same thing make PJ when have to suck off 12.5 million half pound, you know. The same thing make PJ Patterson when have to suck off 12.5 million and make him a big mama fall out, you know. But you not learn. You fail to understand. Stop spread propaganda upon the man. Don't say what the man don't say. The Speaker of the House is corrupting the chair. And that's why I talk about. And that's what the man they talk about. The maneuvering. The maneuvering to delay the tabling of the Auditor General report and the Integrity Commission report. Don't get it twisted. Jamaica and don't follow them. Mark Golding, they beat them 1.5 miles. Mark Golding does a tie with them and they walk and they laugh off of them. Because every day, them turn themselves in a big mockery. Uno in a one hole one no can't come out, brother. Because uno too lie. Nobody no take uno serious. Uno they accuse the man of saying things that he did not say to make the Andrew Holness administration look good from their corruption. That's the bottom line of it in Jamaica. They are trying to deflect to make the Andrew Holness administration look good when they are lying. She sit on these reports, and after the thing go down in the Parliament on Tuesday, and Friday them send over a report to the Auditor General, and the Auditor General just bust on liberty and say me not play them game with nobody, you know. Me not have nothing to do with them. So you see come Monday morning, right over there so them a come back. Right there so the Jamaica. Mark Golding have them like a clown. The man have them like a some little mongrel dog right now. Trust and believe. Anyway, my people, stay tuned to Aromatic Realistic TV. Like and share and follow us over YouTube. You don't know what to do. Touch the notification bell and the little thing one name all. So anytime I drop a content, you should be the first to find out. If you're not subscribed yet, we're still there, man. We're not going nowhere. You know what you have to do. Do the right thing. Anyway, we tell them, say, I got and go the road, you know. Be well, my people. And we continue to tell them the signature word, you know. Heart of love. Heart of love. Heart of love. Beat them, Marky G. Beat them, Marky G. Beat them, Marky G.